Do you enjoy home-cooked meals but have too little time for washing? Do you wish you had good help but can't fit a full-size dishwasher? This Bosch Series 6 Compact Dishwasher may just be the perfect help for you. Its beautiful and elegant design makes it a great fit on any countertop. You'll love its generous capacity and the wide range of washing programs to match your needs. Bosch dishwashers are #1 in the world. This tabletop model takes the dishwashing chore off your hands without taking up too much space.
My work has always kept me busy, so I used to eat out quite often. But ever since the lockdown last year, I've had to cook my own meals a lot. That's when I really regretted not installing a dishwasher when I renovated the house. But I'm thankful I have this tabletop dishwasher. It's compact, so I have the flexibility to place it anywhere I want, and it fits so beautifully on my countertop. It can easily fit about 6 place settings, which is more than enough for my family. And it's been such a big help because really, who has time to wash dishes? I like that my dishwasher has a great range of automatic wash programs. If I cook a heavy meal and end up with greasy and really dirty utensils, there's a setting for heavy duty washing. If it's just the stuff that needs a light wash, I can choose a setting that will suit the load and save on water and electricity. I like options and I like the efficiency it gives me. Just press a button and it gets the right wash for every load.
If you want the best help for your dishes with minimal fuss, look no further. This Series 6 tabletop dishwasher fits easily on the countertop and delivers effective washing for your family's needs. Turn your dishwashing chore into a simple pleasure and experience the beauty, power, and reliability of German engineering in action every time.